Is it time to buy or sell LTRY.com stock? In this video, we will explore LTRY.com in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any company among 45,000 firms worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th of February, 2025, our system has categorized LTRY.com as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing an increase of 6.38% since we recommended purchasing LTRY.com 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.19% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at 662 cents, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 83.32% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -58.65% and -19.15%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -61.62% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 900% and -61.62%. This translates to a price range of 0 to 0.576 after a year. Our latest daily update for LTRY.com includes the headline, High Volatility in LTRY.com Inc. stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $1.50. The LTRY.com Inc. stock price gained 6.38% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, rising from $1.41 to $1.50. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 38.35%, with a low of $1.33 and a high of $1.84. The price has experienced significant ups and downs during this period, and there has been a 354% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 198 million shares, with a total of 59 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $89,200,000. It is important to consider that falling volume with rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $3.56, while the lowest price was 22 cents. Currently, the price is 57.87%, or $2.06, below the 52-week high, and 91.43%, or $16, below the all-time high on the 5th of November, 2021, when the price reached $17.50. LTRY.com Inc., trading under the ticker symbol LTRY, has recently announced the launch of its international lottery operations. This initiative aims to meet the evolving demands of a global customer base. It is anticipated that this strategic move will generate new revenue by the end of March, signaling potential growth that could positively influence investor sentiment and boost stock prices in the short term. However, the company faces challenges due to recent compliance issues with NASDAQ. A notice was received regarding the late filing of its Form 10-Q, which may raise concerns about management's effectiveness and the company's reporting practices. Such compliance issues often exert downward pressure on stock prices, especially in the short term. Additionally, LTRY.com has made significant acquisitions, including CMF Media and SNMI Ltd, to strengthen its content platform and expand its geographical footprint in the sports entertainment sector. These strategic acquisitions represent long-term growth potential, enhancing the company's market presence and possibly leading to increased revenues over time. Investors will need to keep a close watch on how these developments unfold in the coming months. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to the stock of LTRY.com. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for LTRY.com. The LTRY.com Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support levels can be found at 0.704 and 0.466. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 30th, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced an increase of 386.54%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 2 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for LTRY.com. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.41. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases, as a drop below this support could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, demonstrating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 510 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 38.35%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 88.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for LTRY.com, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that a company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often caused by factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and pose potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 2nd of April, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LTRY.com. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, LTRY.com encounters its first support level at $1.41. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for LTRY.com from various analysts is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Matthew Howard McGann executed an insider sale of 115,000 shares of common stock. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Matthew Howard McGann also performed an insider sale of 80,000 shares of common stock. On the 17th of September, 2024, Gregory A. Potts conducted an insider sale of 2,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of September, 2024, Mark Bernard Battles engaged in an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Mark Bernard Battles conducted another insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 87 insider trades, the insider power has been determined to be negative, with a ratio of negative 58.708. Overall, insiders acquired 21,468,000 8,433 shares and sold 11,663,227 shares in these 87 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.46, which reflects a decrease of 2.74%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, leading to a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 88, which substantially heightens this risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 6 days ago. Is LTRY.com stock a worthwhile investment? LTRY.com Inc. exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to recommend it as a buying opportunity at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the price volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Monday, the 10th of February, we anticipate LTRY.com to open at approximately 5.67 cents and begin trading around $1.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.